What if I told you that some of the most important discoveries about human psychology came from experiments so disturbing, so unethical, and so shocking that they were permanently banned after they were conducted? These are not horror stories. These are real scientific experiments conducted by real scientists at real universities. And what they discovered about human nature will make you question everything you thought you knew about yourself.
In 1961, at Yale University, psychologist Stanley Milgram asked one terrifying question. How far would ordinary people go in hurting someone else? Simply because an authority figure told them to? Participants sat in front of a shock machine, switches going from 15 volts all the way to 450 volts, labeled danger, severe shock. They were ordered to increase the voltage. What they did not know was that the person screaming in pain was a paid actor. There were no real shocks, but the results were real. 65% of completely normal, ordinary people administered the maximum 450-volt shock, simply because a man in a lab coat told them to. They were not monsters. They were everyday people, just like you and just like me.
In 1971, psychologist Philip Zimbardo took 24 perfectly normal college students. He randomly split them into two groups, prisoners and guards. He set up a fake prison in the basement of Stanford University, and then he just watched what happened. Day 1. The guards started humiliating the prisoners, taking away their names and giving them numbers instead. Day 2, sleep deprivation started and psychological abuse began. Day 3. The first prisoner had a complete mental breakdown and had to be removed. Day 6. The experiment was shut down immediately. It was supposed to run for 2 weeks. What Zimbardo discovered was this. Normal, healthy, kind people, when given power over others, will use that power to dominate, humiliate, and destroy. It is not who you are. It is the situation you are placed in, and that is the most terrifying discovery in psychology history.